Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this very long 62 inches selfie stick and tripod. And I can tell you already it has a lot of features, much more than everything what I have seen before. So it's super interesting, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. So here's the box again, a little bit more of description here also in the back. But let's take it out and see what we get. Comes also with this instruction manual which describes everything nicely, but I'm going to show you everything anyway. And so that's the whole thing. You can see very compact. That's one of the big positive aspects here. So you can easily carry it in your backpack. One of the most compact tripod and selfie sticks. It's pretty lightweight, but not super lightweight because the core, of course, is solid aluminum. And to open it, we can just pull it apart, so we can make it super wide. You can see how long this is, absolutely crazy. And then we have this solid stand, and it's perfectly secured. So we have to pull here a little bit, and here as well. And so we can open this easily, push this thing down. Yeah, it has actually reached the ceiling on top, so I have to make it a little bit smaller here to show you, because it is really super large. And so as you can see, it has a really solid hold, solid stand. It comes even with some soft rubber feet, so you can use it easily inside, also on some sensitive floors. And now let's focus on the top or the head of it, and that's the most important aspect here. I think it has the most options of any tripod or selfie stick which I've ever seen. This is absolutely insane, and I'm going to show you what you can do with that. So first here we see this clamp here for mobile phones. We can pull it apart, so we can easily even use some very large mobile phones here inside. And you can see it has this really nice solid bracket, so you don't have to be worried, and we can secure it here in any position. So you can see really nice solid hold. And now something super important which you don't see with most of the tripod selfie sticks, this is that the head is rotatable 360 degrees. When you have it like that, it is secured in place, but when you lift up this handle here, you can move your phone around. When you push it down, it's nicely secured again. Move it away and you can rotate it, make really nice 360 degrees panoramic views or whatever you want. And what's really important is that you can see how smoothly I can move it from left to right, right to left. And of course we cannot only use the phone landscape, we can also put it like that, or even fully upright like in portrait position. And it has also a solid hold. We don't have to untighten it. We can just rotate it really nicely here. That's something which I really like. And as a nice bonus, we have even this remote control here, Bluetooth remote control. We turn it on here. You can see the blue light. We go to Bluetooth and search for new detectable devices. And we can see already this selfie stick here. And we pair it. And then we go to the camera. We don't have to do anything else. We don't have to download a software. We just push this button here and you can see it makes some really nice pictures without touching the tripod. So this is also something which helps a lot to make some really sharp, nice pictures. But we do not only have this phone mount. There is much more to this head to tell, because we have also this standard 1/4 inch tripod mount. So for example, we can use it here for this camera. I mean, it's a GoPro on a normal tripod mount, but you can use like a DSLR. Of course, you have to be careful with the weight when you're using some really large lenses or so, but definitely works perfectly for smaller cameras. But we are not yet finished, because there is even more. There's another trick here. You can remove this screw here, or actually the phone mount and the standard tripod mount. And so we can attach any kind of camera or accessories with the standard GoPro mount, something like that here with the GoPro 10 Hero Black. So absolutely awesome stuff. So I can use here easily all the cameras which I am using, like the GoPro, my phone, or anything with a normal tripod mount here. All the 3 type of cameras I can use here without any additional mounts needed. Definitely the most versatile tripod which I've ever seen. So this is definitely the tripod which I'm going to use when I'm not at home. Absolutely perfect, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.